Hey guys, welcome to the Neely Farms. We're out here putting in some water line today so we can add some more paddocks to the pasture and move the cows, because that's one thing you got to have for them, water. So we've trenched and trenched and trenched, and we just started this new line, which you can see we're making our way down. We have about, in this line to get to where we're stopping at, it's about 5,000 foot, so it's going to take us a little while, but we're doing what we can, putting in some risers along the way every 400 to 500 foot. Cows will be able to access a water point from both sides of the paddocks. That's what we're doing today, enjoying this beautiful spring day. And just wanted to show you guys what we're doing. Thanks for stopping in.